One of the main aspects that interested me in the Drainvac system was the fact that we could have the units installed in the back of the store, which would keep the noise and the offensive odors away from our customers, and a lot less disturbing than passing a shop vac through the front of the store, which at times could be quite a disturbance in an already noisy environment when we're extremely busy. So it allows us to very quickly dry up our carpets that get soaked quite a bit during the winter, especially when we have a lot of snow. We're able to clean it up fast to reduce slip and falls in the restaurant. Another recent story I experienced this winter in one of my locations, the storm sewer froze, and consequently we had a backup into the public bathrooms where there was a steady flow of water surging up through the floor drain. So because we had the system already installed in this location, we were able to have one of our employees suck the water as it was coming out of the drain to minimize the damage, while actually we ended up with no damage because we were able to contain it in that confined area. So again, this is another convenience of having this system installed in your stores, and having been in the chain for quite a while, another advantage is the ability that the hoses are long enough with the inlets strategically placed in the store that you're able to service all of the refrigeration coils on any piece of equipment anywhere in the store, and any spill at any time, you could very quickly and conveniently clean it up before it becomes a real hazard and makes things worse than what it already is.